Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert or add a watermark to your Google Doc. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Insert tab up at the top, and then select versus watermark. At this point, you can go ahead and upload an image that you want your watermark to be. Otherwise, you can also insert text as well. So if you have text you want to watermark the page with, you can select that. You can adjust the transparency by adjusting it either more or less, and you can adjust the font that you want this to be as well. And if you want it to be diagonal or horizontal, behind or in front of the text. So if you have text on your page, you can either have it showing up in front or behind. And once you're done, you can select done. That's pretty much it. If you ever want to remove the watermark, double click on the watermark and tap the delete key on your keyboard, which will delete the watermark from your document. And one other thing, if we were to just undo that action and go underneath insert and watermark again, you can go back in here just to edit the watermark settings. And that is pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.